afternoon's entertainment. It is just the beginning. And we're going to hand over now to Alan from HRGB to give you a bit of a historical experience and a kind of talk/exhibition tour. We didn't really do a talk, did we, Alan? We thought we'd lead people around the exhibition, and now looking out over this vast sea of people, you have to get your outdoor voice on, I think.
Well, yes, except I'm relying on some of the props that are out there.
So, if you don't get a chance to look at something, as Alan's talking about it, we're not going to be kicking out the door as soon as he's finished speaking. So there'll be plenty of time for the event, end of the event, to look in every case, look at every picture or detail if you miss it on the tour. We've got about half an hour or so.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Right, I'm here with Dave Smith of the Archives Department, Heritage Quay Huddersfield, and I'm going to ask him what the day's been in aid of and how it came about. So how did it come about?
So this exhibition is part of our contribution to the Kirklees Year of Music. The whole of this area is celebrating its rich musical heritage. And we were very lucky that we had a new archive, the Handball Rings of Great Britain archive, that we decided would be a great part of that programme because of the strong links with handbells with this area. The collection hasn't been here very long, so this was our first chance to get hands-on with it, have a look in the boxes, talk to the Handball Rings of Great Britain, and start to tell stories about the collection to the children.
So you'll add to this exhibition over the coming months?
So this exhibition is here for just a short period, 6 weeks, but the archive is here permanently. So it's the beginning of the collection of handball history here at Heritage Quay, and we're looking forward to adding to that collection, and then more importantly, getting people to come look at it in our research room. We've got a dedicated space, people book in, doing their own research, just taking a trip down memory.
Well, I've just brought in now handball expert from Beverley Town Handball League. Now, what do you think about the exhibition, John?
I think it's long overdue, and I think it's every credit to everybody who's been involved. This history has been, to a large degree, just hidden away for too long, and today marks a really important moment in time, really, because I think a lot of handball ringers are not truly aware of what the history of handball in the north of England is.
One of the great things for us has been, as we've been researching the exhibition, talking to experts about it, we've been sharing the things we've been learning, particularly with local people here who have no idea of the handball history in this area, and they've been amazed. And we're able to give people pride in their area that they didn't even know they were missing, which has been
From my point, my main point all the time has been, you've got something here, 200 years old in the brass band, Taylor said, I can find nothing that the brass band for 18 years. When I read that was it.
And I think one of the important points to make is if you play an instrument in a brass band, it comes with a degree of training because it's like a formal musical instrument. The great thing about the handball is there would be many of the ringers from the early part of the last century who wouldn't have those skills other than to be able to ring handballs. And even in the 21st century, one of the really good things about handball is it's not just a musical instrument for those people who have had a lifetime of training in learning a musical instrument. It's a form of music making which is available to anyone because it's relatively easy to play music on that.
You'll see me have a go in a bit, and you might change your mind.
Well, that's why I've come. I was having one thing around. I was just trying to earmark people who might like to have a go. But that's a really important thing to remember, is that we don't have to be a musician like myself who's played the piano all night. It doesn't have to be that.
One point I always make is that handball band, the music that's made, you can hear every note, whereas other bands, that merges in, it's like a roar. I think you can pick out every note. The music is better on handball than is any other band.
And I think we've not got to lose sight of the fact that if you look at the historical evolution of handball music, don't ever underestimate what these handball bands from the heyday of handball in the North Village, don't underestimate what they could bring, because you've only got to look at some of the scores which you've got, and you look at some of the markings on those scores. If you go and find a piece of a recording of William Tell and compare it to the handbell scores, they play just at the same speed. That's the important thing, is to compare an orchestral arrangement with what handbell teams did, and that's what we did.
But for my part, I only hope that Huddersfield, where we are now, virtually, where Huddersfield is the handball in the world.
And it's wonderful, and we are here to help handballs preserve, share their history, celebrate it, and the exhibition is just a start.